number 11, circle, part 4. Question number 1. Complete the table below. In this table, radius, diameter and circumference, 3 columns are there. In first example, radius is given. From that you have to find out the diameter and the circumference. In second example, diameter is given. You have to find out the radius and the circumference. In third and the fourth example, circumference is given and you have to find out the radius and the diameter. Let's see one by one. First, the radius is 7 centimeter. So diameter will be double of it. What is the formula? 2 times r. So 2 into this 7 is equal to 14 centimeter will be the diameter. And the formula of the circumference is pi d. Now we know the diameter, so we will take here diameter. And it is not given the value of the pi, so we will take the value of the pi as a 22 upon 7. This pi multiplied by diameter 14, you will get the 44 centimeter. So in the table here you have to write the 14 centimeter and the 44 centimeter. Okay. Next, diameter is 28 centimeter. From that we have to find out the radius. So what is the formula of the radius? Diameter divided by 2. So diameter is 28 divided by 2 will be the 14 centimeter. So this radius is a 14 centimeter. Now the circumference formula is 2 pi r. 2, the value of the pi multiplied by radius, the answer is 88 centimeter. Circumference is given in the third example, that is 616. From that we have to find out the radius and the diameter. Same way we will use the formula of the circumference, 2 pi r, where r is the radius. So circumference is 616 is equal to this 2 multiplied by the value of the pi, 22 upon 7 into radius. Now for our convenience we will write the r to the left hand side. Write this 616 and this reciprocal of 2, 2 upon 1. Reciprocal of it is 1 upon 2. And the reciprocal of 22 upon 7 will be 7 upon 22. Like this you have to write, or you can write like this, 616 multiplied by 7 divided by 22. Same. Then after calculating you will get here 98. Now we know the radius. From that we can easily find out the diameter. 2 times radius. 2 into 98 is 196 centimeter is the diameter. Same way you can solve the fourth example, but it is given in the decimal form. Circumference is equal to 72.6. Same formula you have to use. 72.6 is equal to 2 into the value of the pi into the radius. Again write the r to the left hand side. Then 72.6 multiplied by the reciprocal of 2 is 1 upon 2, multiplied by reciprocal of the 22 upon 7 is 7 upon 22. Then after dividing you will get here 11.55. Now we know the radius, so easily we can calculate the diameter, that is 23.1 cm. Understood how to solve it?